Friends, hello. I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, wherever this video catches you. So let's talk about Rolls-Royce and really think about, what we're looking at right here with the Rolls-Royce. Is this an opportunity of a lifetime, or is this something that we're seeing getting worse and worse here? What is this? Obviously, I have been talking about Rolls-Royce here since the pandemic happened. Rolls-Royce, obviously the stock is like this because right when the pandemic happened, Rolls-Royce started getting worse and worse and worse, and this went from a $10 stock to what you're looking at right now. They were laying off people, they were canceling projects, pushing projects back. There were scary talks going on. Even Boeing at the time was, there was a lot of crazy talks going on. Now, Rolls-Royce, and this is the aviation sector, pretty much, the aviation sector of Rolls-Royce, it is still struggling. This is still a stock that is struggling a lot here. Now, I've always been very bullish on this situation, that it's going to come back with a fierce bid price. Now, right now, we are seeing this, it's taken even more of a hit. Just weeks ago, this was down to $1.20. Then we had that spike up there on March 25th to over $1.50. And now we're back in the dumps here, right around the $1.25 bid price on this. And obviously the whole market this week has just been, just blah. So what we're seeing right now with this is we keep having these momentums of pushing up, but then we keep seeing Rolls-Royce fall apart here. The question is when is this going to straight out here? So bullet points, things that we know right now is that Rolls-Royce has started up a lot of these projects that they had on hold with the pandemic. They have a jet that is going into low orbit. They're getting a lot of their business back, building, rebuilding, fixing jet engines. So you really don't even have to look on a candlestick chart here for detailed, buying patterns and selling patterns here. I think it's pretty safe to say just the common eye looking at this right now is that Rolls-Royce is in a major struggle right now to stay at even above $1 right now. It is trying to stay above this dollar here. Now, we have seen Rolls-Royce hit this around, July of 2021 here. We saw Rolls-Royce hit around that $1.20, and then it kind of was starting to turn itself back up here, and then, we really had a high point with it, and we thought, well, maybe it's coming back here, but still, we're seeing the struggle happen here. Now, obviously, I talked about in the last video, Rolls-Royce is talking about building these power plants, these football-sized power plants, and that they've had orders come in from different countries where they're going to start building them. Obviously, this is a investment for Rolls-Royce because this will be something that they're going to be doing for the next 10 years that will slowly build up money and, make their bread and butter of daily income bigger. On the thought and the theory of what Rolls-Royce is doing and what they're trying to accomplish here by getting back on track as a company, Rolls-Royce, like I said, has never been one of these stocks that 20, 30, 40 bucks. We're not expecting that, but what we're looking and what we're hoping for right now is that buying this under a $2 range, and then if this can get back on track to getting back to a $3 to $4 to $5 to $6 to $8 to $10 range here, that's what we're looking for. Now, obviously, that's going to take some time or some kind of crazy deal to happen. But obviously, Rolls-Royce being the third largest jet engine maker in the world, and being pretty much Rolls-Royce is England's Boeing. And, we have our Boeing company, and the United Kingdom has Rolls-Royce. So they're not going to let Rolls-Royce go out of business. This is a huge company for them, and it's obviously a company that they use to make their airliners, a lot of their defense. So friends, this right here, this is something we're just going to have to continue to watch. This is a great buy-in if we can see Rolls-Royce try to come back here. But, obviously this year has not been giving anything to Rolls-Royce. We haven't seen any big deals take place here as of late. And the deals that we have seen take place have still not been enough to sustain even $1.50, especially a $2 mark here with Rolls-Royce. So friends, I'm just thinking here, I'm just putting this out here. Let me know what you think about Rolls-Royce. I'm very bullish on the stock, but I think a lot of us at this point are going, how much more and how much longer is this going to bleed off before we start to see this sustain a better bid price? So friends, with all that said, I really do hope you have a phenomenal weekend with your friends and family. And friends, I will talk to you very soon. Take care, everyone.